Welcome back to NextGen Motorhomes. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting luxury diesel pushers entering the scene, the all-new 2026 Entegra Coach Aspire. This brand has long been known for craftsmanship, attention to detail, and a driving experience that feels closer to a high-end touring coach than your typical Class A motorhome. And the 2026 Aspire pushes that philosophy even further. From a stunning exterior design to the refined interior finishes, from the ride quality of its Spartan K2 chassis to the long-haul comfort it's built for, this coach is absolutely made for those who want to elevate their travel lifestyle. So let's get right into it. As you walk up to the 2026 Aspire, the first thing that grabs your attention is the new exterior design language. Entegra has updated the full-body paint for 2026 with deeper metallic accents, bolder color blocking, and a glossier finish thanks to a redesigned clear coat layering process. Even under standard showroom lights, the paint seems to shimmer and shift subtly, giving this coach the presence of a luxury tour bus. The front fascia has been revised with a smoother contour and a slightly more aerodynamic shape, along with updated LED headlights that deliver a brighter and wider beam pattern for better nighttime visibility. And the new LED marker lights give the Aspire a clean, modern signature when driving or parked. You also get a panoramic one-piece windshield with improved optical clarity to reduce glare and distortion. The chrome mirrors are still heated and power adjustable, but for 2026 Entegra widened the base and added vibration control, making highway driving more stable. Down the side, the Aspire's sleek lines continue with integrated slide-outs that sit almost flush to the body. Entegra enhanced the sealing system for better insulation and quieter operation. The coach rides on the Spartan K2 chassis with independent front suspension, giving it a rock-solid stance. And those polished aluminum wheels paired with the redesigned wheel, molding truly elevate the look. Beneath the body, you'll find massive pass-through storage compartments with dual-side access. Entegra includes LED lighting, heated bays, and power-locking doors, along with a new storage management track system that lets you reposition hooks or brackets depending on what you're bringing along. The 2026 Aspire also comes with a full outdoor entertainment setup, a 43-inch UHD TV, improved soundbar with bass enrichment, and weatherproof enclosure. The power awning features wind sensors, integrated lighting, and a quieter mechanism compared to previous model years. Walking inside the 2026 Aspire is like stepping into a high-end condo on wheels. Entegra has always been known for luxury interiors, but this year's model pushes craftsmanship to a new level. As soon as you enter, the flush porcelain tile flooring grabs your attention with its glossy finish and improved scratch resistance. The redesigned ceiling treatment, featuring recessed lighting and modern geometric accents, adds to the upscale feel. And of course, the Aspire continues to offer Entegra's signature quiet tech insulation, making the interior incredibly peaceful whether you're parked or on the road. In the living area, the 2026 model features updated villa furniture with deeper cushioning for long ride comfort. The power theater seats now include improved lumbar support, heat and massage, and wireless charging pads built right into the armrests. The opposing sofas create a spacious lounge area, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Across from the seating area is the massive 50-inch 4K smart TV paired with a new sound system that includes hidden sub-bass modules for fuller audio. Moving into the kitchen, the 2026 Aspire gives you a true residential cooking setup. The solid surface countertops now have a waterfall edge design, and the induction cooktop is flush-mounted for a sleeker profile. You also get a convection microwave, a deep stainless steel sink with a redesigned pull-down faucet, and a dishwasher drawer that's quieter than ever. The residential refrigerator now includes a dual-zone climate system, improving efficiency and reducing condensation. Storage is plentiful, with hardwood cabinetry that's both soft-close and fully lined. Entegra also introduced a new ambient lighting system onto the cabinets, adding a luxury feel during evening hours. The bathroom has been upgraded with a larger shower featuring a molded fiberglass surround, a rainfall shower head, and LED edge lighting that adds a spa-like vibe. The new vent fan system is quieter while moving more air, ensuring moisture doesn't build up. The vanity includes a solid surface top, redesigned drawers for better organization, and a medicine cabinet with integrated lighting. Entegra also improved the toilet area with better ventilation and a more ergonomically shaped seat. Then we get to the master bedroom, which is a standout in the 2026 Aspire. The king-size bed uses a specially designed gel memory mattress, and the articulating headrest lifts for reading or watching TV. Above the bed, you'll find redesigned overhead cabinets with better internal lighting. One of the biggest upgrades for 2026 is the bedroom climate system. The dual AC setup has been improved to run quieter and provide more even airflow throughout the room. At the foot of the bed, there's a large smart TV with hidden storage behind it, along with a dresser featuring soft-close drawers. The wardrobe space is generous, and the walk-in closet in certain floor plans includes motion-activated lighting and washer/dryer hookups. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Aspire remains one of the strongest contenders in the luxury diesel pusher class. Powering this coach is the Cummins L9 450 horsepower diesel engine, paired with the Allison 3000 mH transmission. This combination offers plenty of torque for highway merging and mountain driving. The Spartan K2 chassis gives the Aspire exceptional stability and smoothness, and the independent front suspension reduces body roll while enhancing steering precision. The air ride system has been fine-tuned for 2026 to provide better shock absorption and a more controlled ride over rough roads. Entegra also improved the engine compartment ventilation, helping the L9 run cooler and prolonging engine life. One of the standout driving features continues to be the rear-mounted radiator design, which enhances cooling and makes maintenance more accessible. The cockpit includes a dual-screen digital dash setup with improved display resolution and easier menu navigation. The infotainment system integrates navigation, blind spot cameras, tire pressure monitoring, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The driving seats themselves have been redesigned to provide better ergonomic support, with more adjustability and a smoother swivel mechanism for when you're parked. Safety technology has also been expanded on the 2026 Aspire. You get adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation with forward warning, electronic stability control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system with night-optimized sensors. Finally, let's talk about price. The 2026 Entegra Coach Aspire starts at a premium level, reflecting its luxury status and the extensive upgrades it includes. Depending on floor plan and optional configurations, you're looking at a range that begins around the high $400,000s and moves into the lower $600,000s. When you factor in construction quality, the Spartan chassis, the level of comfort, the upgraded appliance suite, and the driving technology included, the Aspire continues to deliver a compelling value in the luxury motorhome segment. It's built for travelers who want long-term reliability, residential comfort, and a smoother ride than most coaches in its class can offer. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Entegra Coach Aspire. The luxury, the performance, the craftsmanship, and everything that makes this coach one of the most exciting models of the year.